In this video we are talking about if AVAX is going to the downside or if we finally see the massive run to the upside. As you can see, we are on the weekly chart, and as I said in the last video, we are here in a very important demand zone. From this demand zone we saw a push to the all-time high from AVAX, and as we came back into this demand zone we saw a reaction to the upside. And in the last update on AVAX we saw this weekly candle, and I said if we are closing outside of this demand zone that we are seeing lower levels for AVAX. But if we are coming into this demand zone again and closing with the body close of a weekly candle, the chance that we are moving to the upside is really high. I will show you the clip for context. But as you can see, we have 2 days left for this weekly candle right here, and it's very important that we don't see a body close under this lows right here. So if this candle is moving up a bit, so we don't close under this lows right here with the body, I see hope for AVAX that we see a bullish return to the upside. And now as you can see, we saw this immense bullish candle to the upside. This candle caused a 12% up move. And if we are looking at the next weekly candle, we are seeing this massive wick to the downside, that we moved to the downside, but the bullish power was so immense that we pushed to the upside again. So now the question is, are we going to explode at AVAX? As you can see, we saw this immense bullish power to the upside, which is a really good sign for AVAX. For me, the most important level is this resistance right here. As you can see, this is the last important high, which caused this lower low. So if we are breaking this resistance to the upside, the chance that we are going to the upside is immense high. So this is the most important level for me at AVAX. But what is happening right now? We can see higher lows all the way and higher highs. So now it's very important that we are making a higher high above this last high. If we are continuating this bullish structure, the chance that we move to the upside is really high, especially if we break this last high right here. But what will happen if we don't make a higher high? There's also the bearish scenario if we are breaking this low to the downside, and if we are breaking this, I think the chance that we move to even lower levels is very high, because overall we are in a bearish structure. And if we are breaking to the downside, I think this demand zone right here at $7 will be the next support area. But as always, if anything interesting is happening at AVAX, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on AVAX. But I see this immense bullish power to the upside at AVAX, so I'm confident that the chance is high that we are moving to the upside. But we first have to break this resistance, and if we are breaking this resistance and making a higher high, I think that we will see a bullish explosion. And on the higher time frame, this resistance at $11 is very important. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits in trading and see you in the next one.